Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Jacob Abdelaziz, and before I talk further, I would like to ask you this simple question. Are you looking for a way to make money online? Like, have you tried everything you could to make money online, but all your effort proved abortive? If you say yes, then let me say congratulations to you, because here I am going to teach you how you can make from $100 to $500 every day by helping other business owners to promote their products and services to their potential customers. So, before I continue, I would like to log into one of my accounts to show you how much I've made so far. Okay, so let me log into my account here. Let me refresh this page so you can see clearly. This is one of my accounts here, as you can see, and then let me sign in here to show you my dashboard. So as you can see here on my dashboard here, I have my available balance here is $845 US. You can see this one will be paid to me in the next few days, as you can see. And then I have upcoming balance here. My upcoming balance here is $4,550 US, as you can see, which is coming into my bank account. So let me refresh the page again so you can see it very well that this is live. And as you can see here, this is mining, as you can see, about 845 balance US dollars balance here, and then 4,550. This one is not approved yet, as you can see. Okay, so let me also log into another platform that I work with. So the platform is called Digistore24. Yeah, this is my account. So as you can see here on this platform, I just started promoting offers on this platform. As you can see, I've made about $312 on this platform. Okay, let me refresh the page again. And as you can see here, this is Abdul, right? This is Abdul, my username here. There you can see $312 US. Okay, so and then another platform called the Flex Offers. As you can see here, let me refresh my page. This is live. Okay, this is live account. As you can see, okay, I've only made $96 here, and that is because I only concentrate on this platform called Impact. So I promote a lot of products on this platform. That is why I'm making this kind of money. So what I have done is that I have put together a simple to follow training program to teach anyone who is looking for a way to generate income online. So this training is going to teach you how you can make from $100 to $500 every day from the comfort of your home by promoting other people's products. So if you are interested in this training, just go ahead and join the training. Then I will teach you everything you need to know, how you can get started, every other thing you need to know, how to run adverts on Facebook, how to run adverts on Google, how to run adverts on Bing app and make money like this one. Imagine you make $845 like this one, like the one you're seeing here right now, or even $4,550 like you're seeing here on my dashboard. Won't you feel on top of the world? So if you say yes, then say no to procrastination. Go ahead and join the training now and start learning how you can start generating this kind of income on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to see you on the other side. I still remain Jacob Abdelaziz. Thanks.